Phon-Er vlog 166. We are on our way to a repair that we kind of opened up in vlog 162, but we didn't have the parts, so we couldn't really do it. And so we're back there again. So this may actually be considered vlog 162 continuation or sequel, but it is vlog 166 because it is a new day, so I can't really make it up vlog 162. But anyways, that's just a little intro there. So it's vlog 166, continuation from vlog 162, and we are on our way to West Hollywood area, and I want to say West Hollywood and not West Hollywood. Somewhere it's right on La Brea and by the 10 freeway. So I guess the west side. We're driving to the west side. We're driving there to replace a MacBook Air flash storage, which burned down because the fan was dirty. So I guess because you didn't keep the flash storage, or aka hard drive, cool enough, so it just burned down. So we had the customer order a new one for $20, and that pretty much and it just came in right now in the mail. So he just called us and we're still going over to install it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm getting a call. What are you asking?
Oh, hi, is this Ari?
Yes.
Hi, Ari. My name's Gene. You actually fixed my screen a couple of months ago.
Hey, Gene. Yes, how are you?
Hey, and I actually might have another job for you. Rex, are you at the coffee bean right now? Because I'm literally about half a block from you. Are you there?
I'm actually a few blocks down, but I can turn around. What job do you have for me?
Oh, okay. My wife, I got my wife an iPhone 6.
Okay.
I got her an iPhone 6, and apparently it was like a refurbished iPhone. We didn't know it, and the battery is like
just went out.
The cheap yeah, the battery's going out. And so, do you do batteries also?
Yeah, everything. I do every part in the phone, every single one.
Okay. Now, I've gotten a battery replaced by a third-party kind of guy like yourself, and it didn't work very well, and it died. I mean, the battery that you put in is...
It's Apple Original.
It is?
Yes, so I don't use aftermarket stuff for batteries, because they...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know what? We're actually going to pull right in by the coffee bean right now.
I'm just going to... Yeah. Then, I mean, I was heading out to West Hollywood, but I am not far from you, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to drive back and just fix that really quickly, and then I'll go. So I'll see you in 10 minutes.
Oh, thanks a lot, man. Okay, we'll be in the coffee bean. I know where your spot is.
Definitely. And yours was the iPhone 6 or the 6S? Do you know exactly which model?
It's the 6. Yeah, the regular 6.
So there's no S on the back, correct?
I don't think it's the 6. You know what? I'm gonna take a look at the phone now.
Either way, it's fine. I just want to know so I can bring that exact part out.
Bring the right part
out of the car. I mean, if anything, I can go to I'll go back to the car and I'll get it back and get the other part. So it's not a big deal.
Okay, wait. I'm looking in the back right now.
Too late.
iPhone.
I'm totally kidding.
No, it doesn't say 6S on there. It doesn't say S on there.
Awesome. It just says iPhone on it. Okay, that's the first one. You're right. Okay.
It just says iPhone.
Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, just like
okay.
I thought. Okay, beautiful. So I'll see you in 5 minutes or something around there.
All right, awesome, and thanks so much.
Sure, of course.
All right,
I'll see you. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys, we just got an order in as we were driving to our job. So anyway, so that job. So this one, you heard what it is. It's a battery for iPhone 6 from my previous customer. And so yeah, I guess so we're driving to west side, which is West LA, to pretty much repair an to repair a MacBook Air flash storage, which means the hard drive, aka just the newest MacBooks use a flash storage instead of I think so. The newest MacBooks, they because they're so thin, they cannot use the traditional old school hard drive, so they use the very tiny flash storages, which looks like almost like a memory card. It's the same exact. It's almost the same actually width and same weight and the same. It may be a little bit heavier, but it's definitely the same Same size almost, yeah. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to change that to replace that, and then obviously we have to put a new OS X on it, operating system, because it's going to be black. So, and it's going to be our first one actually, because we haven't done this before, and we just actually explore that model is actually doable, because Apple usually solders the hard drive to the motherboard, which is the logic board, or like same thing. And so, but I guess for the flashes, because they realize if it goes out, it's more headache for them to change it, so they just made it easier for them. I guess it's just for their sake, not for us, or maybe even for the customer's sake, but I'm not sure. Maybe just for them, so they'll have an easier time of changing that part. But yeah, so we're just gonna like flash storage, replace that. What am I talking about? We're just gonna replace the flash storage and then install a new OS X on it, and then that'll be all good, and that should do it. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll be back with that. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go take care of the battery right now really quickly, and maybe you guys can join me and check it out. It's at my local coffee bean, so hitting there right now. We're on Hollywood and Bridgeville right now, which is the same as aka Healers, so that's that. Hey guys, see you soon. Peace, God. Almost there.
And then the thumbprint wouldn't work, and he goes, this is also a third party screen.
Right.
So because that's why the thumbprint isn't working, because it's a third party screen.
Oh no, it's not a screen. What it is like the thumb. It was a very bad crash, and the thumbprint button broke off, so they put aftermarket. That's why.
Oh, so
it's not the screen. It's
So then when he looked,
it's probably both.
So he was able to determine that this was not a new Apple phone.
Yeah.
It was a refurbished phone that they refurbished with third party, and then sealed it and sold it as brand new.
So how much did you pay for this beauty?
I paid like, I don't remember exactly, but like around $325.
Okay, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Because that can also damage your battery and the phone. Oh. Okay, there you go, sir.
Thank you.
Hey guys, that will conclude vlog 166, and thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you in vlog 167. Peace.